There's a vast, gorgeous world out there, and there's no better way to experience it than on a show-stopping luxury cruise ship. These ships are designed to provide the most exclusive experiences at sea, with everything from extravagant designer suites and Michelin-starred dining rooms to glittering cocktail bars and magnificent spas, all within a cocoon of luxury that can transport you to nearly every corner of the globe. So, which are the best luxurious cruise ships to travel with? Let's find out that and much more in today's video. But before we start, guess what? Please leave a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. It really helps us a lot. After doing that, thank you. And now, let's get started. Number 1. Viking Jupiter. The public rooms at Viking Jupiter are not only physically stunning with gentle blue, milk, and camel complemented with soothing Nordic motifs, but they also feel warm and inviting. Warm Norwegian-made blankets are meticulously folded on each chaise lounge in the glass-enclosed lanai area. Although the bedrooms and suites aren't as huge as those on other luxury cruises, they all have balconies and large, glass-enclosed showers. On the other hand, the owner's suite is 1,448 square feet and feels like a sophisticated world condo. The amenities available are a well-stocked library, wine bar, vapor light fireplace, and private sauna. The cruise ship visits ports like Buenos Aires, Barcelona, Rio de Janeiro, and others on regional and transatlantic trips. Number 2. Seadream II. It provides a luxurious and private yachting experience. Because there are just 56 cabins, passengers and crew get to know one another fast, and it indeed seems like you're on a friend's yacht rather than a cruise. The Altique deck, which contains numerous Balinese stun beds, and the aft retractable marina are two of the ship's highlights. All available are glass-bogged kayaks, stand-up paddleboards, banana boats, snorkeling equipment, and laser sailboats. You can also do jet skiing or water skiing. Because this is a small vessel, there are no large suites. The cabins are spacious, although none have a balcony. Instead, the focus is on the in-room luxuries, such as Belgian linens, down duvets, and wool blankets. This cruise mainly focuses on minor ports in the Caribbean and Europe, many of which have a glitzy feel. Consider the Caribbean islands of St. Bart's, Jos Van Dyke, Tobago, and the Mediterranean islands of Cannes and Saint-Tropez. Number 3. Silver Origin. To cruise the Galapagos Islands, ships must follow the Ecuadorian government's strict restrictions to preserve their unique environment. The number of passengers on board is limited to 100 and ships are limited to operating entirely in the Galapagos Islands. Until recently, you had to choose from a fleet of older ships that had been adapted to operate here. Then there was the unveiling of Silver Origin, Silversea's beautiful new ship designed just for this area. With all balcony accommodations, plenty of deck space, 2 restaurants, and a fitness center with panoramic views, this compact 100-guest ship is supremely comfortable. In addition to the extensive shore program and aboard lectures, the base camp, with its wonderful interactive wall, offers the opportunity to learn more about the archipelago's flora and animals. In the evening, socialize over cocktails at the Explorer Lounge, and after dinner, curl up around the outdoor bonfire. Number 4. Scenic Eclipse. It's considered one of the most luxurious adventure ships at sea, ushering in a new level of expedition cruising. It has a helipad and chopper, as well as a submarine, and its sleek look is evocative of billionaire-owned mega yachts. Passengers can travel to the far reaches of the globe, for example, Antarctica, the Arctic, Iceland, and Greenland, while admiring the sleek and stylish interior design. The suites are light-filled, large, and have balconies and spa-inspired bathrooms. The Panorama and Grand Panorama suites are placed at the ship's front, and each has its own private outdoor jacuzzi. Other onboard facilities include a spotless 5,920 square foot spa sanctuary and 10 culturally designed restaurants. Currently, the ship is on its journey to Antarctica from the Red Sea, where it will spend the winter months exploring the Antarctic Peninsula. Number 5. Seven Seas Explorer and Seven Seas Splendor. It's one of the most expensive cruise ships in the world. It offers the ideal blend of size and intimacy. The guest rooms are spacious and luxurious, ranging in size from a generous entry-level 300 square feet to the opulent Regent Suite, which measures over 4,000 square feet on Splendor and features a private bar, in-suite spa, and Steinway piano. In 2001, it got the world's first all-balcony ship. There are many dining options, including specialty restaurants that provide excellent food in stylish surroundings. The all-inclusive pricing is the most inclusive of any luxury line, including your shore excursions. Currently, it's on tour in the Gulf of Mexico. Number 6. Europa II. Those in the know were looking forward to introducing the 500-guest Europa II in 2013, as it signified Hapag's first Lloyd's foray into the international market. At its launch, the original 400-guest Europa earned the highest rating of any ship in the renowned Berlitz Guide, so the standard was set high, but the sequel was even better than the original. Light-filled public spaces, stylish suites, all with balcony, and an attractive combination of blonde woods and subtle earthy tones give the Europa II a fresh and contemporary approach to cruising. It's no surprise that Europa II has surpassed her predecessor, which was named the best cruise ship in the world by the Berlitz Guide. It is now on a 16-day round-trip cruise from Cape Town to Las Palmas to Gran Canaria. Number 7. Seabourn Ovation. The ship is nearly identical to the Seabourn Encore, and both are one deck taller and carry 150 extra passengers for a total complement of 600. The indoor-outdoor public areas of Seabourn Ovation, designed by the renowned designer Adam Tierney, have beautiful furnishings and intuitive places built for the way people like to meet and rest. Each of the 300 suites has a balcony where you can enjoy breakfast, drinks, or dinner. The ship's dining options include a sushi restaurant, a new and upscale alfresco dinner option on the pool deck, as well as the main restaurant and a casual dining venue. Champagne and caviar are available at all times and in every location on board, as they are on all Seabourn cruises. The cruise ship visits Antarctica, where it passes the Drake Passage from the world's southernmost city, Ushuaia. Guests can enjoy delicious meals when traveling to Antarctica, in addition to marveling at the breathtaking landscapes and exotic fauna. Number 8. Crystal Serenity. Crystal Serenity is back in peak condition after a comprehensive makeover in 2018 that included 2 Seabreeze penthouse suites. The ship's renewal gave it a more contemporary look to match its always exemplary service and exceptional onboard dining. The tufted leather headboards and patterned fabric upholstery and trimmings in the staterooms and suites provide a comfortable, glamorous atmosphere. The panoramic palm court, ideal for afternoon tea and after-dinner dance, as well as the ambient Avenue Saloon, are some of the famous gathering locations. The ship is best known for its clubby vibe and excellent cocktail menu. It's now on tour on the Northwest Atlantic Ocean. Number 9. Le Commandant Charcot. Few ships can genuinely reach the ends of the Earth, but Ponant's icebreaker, Le Commandant Charcot, is one of them. It's capable of reaching the geographic North Pole and regions of Antarctica. The fearsome Russian nuclear icebreaker 50 Years of Victory was the only passenger vessel consistently performing such distant journeys until recently. Still, the hybrid electric-powered Le Commandant Charcot introduces a new level of luxury to polar travel. The ship's high-tech features extend far beyond the propulsion system, with a scientific research laboratory on board as well. The ship's 270 lucky passengers will be treated to French cuisine, spacious guest rooms with private balconies, indoor and outdoor pools, a wellness area, a fitness center, and even a winter garden. She traveled from Norway's mainland to Svalbard, then to the geographic North Pole, where she arrived on September 6, 2021. Number 10. Roald Amundsen. Hurtigruten, a Norwegian firm that has operated less than luxurious ferries along the Norwegian coast and into the Arctic Circle for decades, debuted the 530-passenger Roald Amundsen in the luxury expedition cruise market in 2019. Pale woods, light and dark neutrals, and soothing greens and blues make up the stunning, modern decor. It's complemented by Nordic-inspired artwork. The 2 473-square-foot extra-large suites have a wall of windows, perfect for taking in views even when it's freezing outside, and a vapor-like fireplace while the 6 aft-facing corner suites have hot tubs on their balconies. The cruise offers expedition cruises to the Norwegian coastal, Norway, and Alaska. Well, and that's all for today's video, guys. Which of the cruise ships do you rank as the most luxurious? Which among them would you book? Comment below. Let's engage. Also, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Goodbye, and see you next time.